Hello and welcome back to my workshop. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. On today's episode, we are going to do an experiment with hot resin and bath fizzers. Now I'm sure most of you know how bath fizzers work, but for those who don't, let's try one in some water. So after seeing how this fizzer reacts in water, today's experiment should be pretty exciting. What do you guys think will happen when I put the fizzer inside of resin? Now before I go dropping this in some resin, the first thing I need to do is pour myself a little base layer so it's got something to sit on. So it's now time to get our ball ready so we can pour some resin. And after seeing how much it moved around in the water, I think it might be best to glue this one down. So it's now time for me to get the resin ready. And while I'm doing that, I want you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think will happen. Do you think it'll fizz just like it did in the water? Or do you think it'll be boring and do nothing? I think it might be best to also add a silicone mat under here, just in case the resin overflows. Now, as well as my respirator, I'm also going to wear a face shield because I don't want to get any of this in my eyes. I think gloves might be a good idea for this one too. Okay, are we ready? I'm just going to pour slowly and see what happens. This is Ben from the future. I just want to quickly interrupt to let you guys know that this experiment starts off a little slow, but towards the end of the video it really takes off. So let's get back to it. Well, it doesn't look like too much is happening. I can see a few bubbles shooting out of the side here. So we might still get a reaction. Well, it still doesn't look like too much is happening. Sure, there's a scientific explanation for this. Can any of you guys guess what's happening? The resin is starting to heat up, so maybe once it gets hot, it might start a reaction. So we just passed the 10-minute mark and still nothing. So we're at the 15-minute mark and this resin is getting really hot, and you'll notice that the bubbles have started coming out of the top, but they're really starting to slow down, which means the resin is starting to cure. Looks like we're getting our steam, so it's getting really hot.
I think that could be it. I don't think those bubbles are going to escape. That actually looks really cool. That's a lot of air coming out of there. So you can see all the air's coming out of the bottom now. Now that we know when we watch our pot cams that the resin sets from top to bottom. So the top's all hard, but the bottom's still a bit soft.
So even though we didn't get our fizzy explosion, it still turned out pretty cool with all these air pockets. Now I think I'm going to try this one again, but I'm going to use a larger ball this time, and I'm going to cut it in half. It might help get us our fizz. I'm hoping that the difference between the smooth surface and the bumpy surface will change how the resin reacts.
It's now time. What do you think? Fizz or no fizz? Well, we didn't get that initial fizz like we were hoping for. We have got the bubbles again. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. Well, it looks like we got a good steady stream. That's probably the closest to a fizz that we've had. We're now at the 10-minute mark, and just for a bit of fun, I'm going to chuck this other half in some water. Kind of looks like a beer, doesn't it? And we are getting close to this 15-minute mark, so I'd say it wouldn't be long before we start seeing some action. I can see the steam, so it's not long now. I really like what's happening with this one. It kind of looks like icicles.
So although we didn't get the fizz that we were hoping for, they turned out pretty good. This first one with all the bubbles looked like little ant galleries, and this second one, which is my favourite, looks like an alien planet. Now if you guys think I can use these in a project, let me know what I should make. And also, if there's an experiment with resin that you'd like me to try, let me know. Well, that is it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, let me know by hitting that big thumbs up down below, but please only do it if you feel this video deserves it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.